This is the last truck you emailed me about. This is power locks, windows. It's the one with like 205, I think, on the miles. Yeah. Truck runs and drives. Well, actually, I got to run and drive it. It runs good. I run the bucket. Just gonna do a walk around, then I'll go test drive it. Everything on the bucket was good. Little bit of scuffs there. Don't really see no damage on the hood. Looks like someone may have put a new throttle body on it. Got a little crack in the grill. This hood does have some damage right here. Does have a dent. Dent in that bumper right there. Same thing here. It's got a dent on the hood right in there. Actually, this bed on this one's really pretty clean. Little scuff there. Bent down a little bit there. That shelf, whatever brackets hold that shelf up are going. The shelf's laying down there, but actually I'm gonna have to open that. Yeah, this bed's in pretty clean shape. I don't know. I'm gonna talk to them. Probably gonna try and put some front tires on it for you. This one here, you can tell it's worn some on the outside. Tread ain't too bad, but this passenger side, definitely the outside's worn worse. This is a gas burner. The other one was a diesel. I didn't see this a minute ago. There's a little dent in that door. I'll get this uploaded and sent to you.